Welcome. So I'm going to show you what we're going to do with some of the wood that was reclaimed from the Bulldog. So let me get to show you that right here.
Most of this reclaimed wood had some nails in it, so I'm just taking them out here and prepping them to be cut. Some of the boards were split and cracked on the end, so I am just trimming them up. So this was a piece that obviously got caught in the fire, or was near the fire, and you can see that it's kind of all charred up. So I have a cutout of Long Island here, and I already did this on a piece that I tested out and I stained it gray. This is a piece I made for my brother, and we're gonna make quite a few of those out of some of this reclaimed lumber. So let's get to it. This is the general cutout. I'm gonna glue this up. This was a natural crack. I'm just gonna glue that and clamp that so that we can keep this original as possible. And then I will be sanding up the edges and rounding them over, and then hitting this with a probably like an 80 grit and working my way up towards 120. And I'll show you what's next. All right, so now that this is done gluing, it's been gluing for a few hours, super strong, not going anywhere. We're gonna sand this with about an 80 grit, and then we're gonna sand the back. There's old paint. So we're gonna see how this looks. So I know that some of you may be thinking, why am I sanding away some of the great burnt wood characteristics, but I do want to highlight some of the natural beauty of the wood underneath. All right, so I decided that it was really a better idea to leave most of this on here. I got it pretty flat. I love the charred look to it. So I believe just whatever I'm gonna do to the rest of it would be just to round over the edges so that it's nice and rounded over, and seal it, because this is just a beautiful piece.